Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Happy Pride Month. I'm just getting ready to show you guys my hexapod robot. Just right there, ready to go. And I've got this hooked up to this game controller right here. So when I push the forward button, and it's a little bit loud, but when it's in motion stepping, but it works. And I can go backwards too. If I go backwards, it's getting caught on the cable a lot. And also, this is prototype programming. I just got it doing this. So hopefully I'll be able to get it to run better in the future. And then back. And then forward again. I don't know where the servo is clicking. That's weird. Being really loud. Normally not this loud. So that's just going on the gamepad and turning it like this way and then up. And it gets turned and turns around just fine. Okay. That's enough for now. Okay, bye guys. Happy Pride Month, and I hope you enjoyed. Definitely make sure to check out my channel and check out the buttons below the video. Like, comment, subscribe, leave a share, and share this with your friends. And I hope you have a great day. Bye. Bye. Mwah.